Good morning, first grade. I hope everyone is having a nice day so far. All right, I have another geode for you from Module 2, and this is called One Look. And you can follow along here and listen to me read it, and then just like we've done in the past, you can go ahead and click on the link from the seesaw activity and go to the digital library so that you can read this book on your own and you can look at the illustrations a little bit more closely and practice reading. All right, so I hope you enjoy it. One Look. All it took was one look in the big tank. She was only 9. Sharks cast a spell on her. She put her chin up to the thick glass. To swim with them would be a thrill. One day I will, she said. Eugenie Clark had a plan. She went to college. Not a lot of girls were there to study fish, but she was. Her dream was to know them, not from a desk, but in the sea. Then she got her wish. She went on a scuba trip. She went to the depth of the sea. The fish swam up to her mask. The sharks sped past her. It was a thrill. And it was a real job. She had a hunch. There was more to a shark than its bite. She set up a lab. What did she find? Sharks are smart. They can learn new things. She had respect for them. This was new thinking. Eugenie had a very long life. She spent much of it in the sea. She did more than 70 dives. She was a whiz at that. For her, sharks were the best thing of all. She felt she had to protect them. That was her quest. This is why we call her the Shark Lady. Just think, it can all begin with one look in a big tank. So the last several geodes that we've read have focused more on telling about different animals and some of the features that they have and use to help them stay safe, to help protect them. Different calls they make, using smells to communicate. Some of the different things, the thorny devil did. That was what we read last. So this one is a little bit different. This reminds me, I don't know if you were thinking of the same thing, but this story reminds me very much of the Me Jane story, right? This is a person that from a very young age was very interested in animals and sharks in this case, and followed her dreams just like Me Jane to learn and study. So let's read them more. Eugenie Clark always loved the sea. As a child, she had her own small aquarium. She learned to swim before she was 2 years old. When Clark grew up, she earned a doctorate in zoology, the study of animals. She focused on the fish she loved as a child, including platies and swordtails. She went on to discover several species of fish. 4 species are named after her. Dr. Clark encountered a variety of sea life during her many deep-sea dives. She even rode a whale shark. This gentle shark is the largest fish in the world. It can grow to be longer than 50 feet and can weigh more than 40,000 pounds. Clark was so passionate about exploring the sea that she continued diving into her 90s. Dr. Clark credited her Japanese heritage with influencing her curiosity about the ocean. All right, so like I said, this story very much reminded me of the Me Jane story that we read earlier in this module. So I hope you enjoyed One Look, and go ahead and feel free to practice reading it yourself, and then you can just send this activity in when you're all set to clear it from your feed. All right, so thanks so much. Let me know if you need anything, and I'll talk to everybody soon. Bye.